Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the powerful NX tool. NX is a tool that allows you to easily duplicate the objects you select as many times as you need, quickly and precisely. It's ideal for modular designs and for saving time in your design process. How do you use NX? First, select the object you want to clone. Next, set the distance at which the copies will be placed, and finally, choose the direction in which you want to duplicate it, and start creating as many replicas as you need. Remember, the value you assign to NX will be the distance between each of the duplicated elements. This allows you to precisely control the spacing between copies while designing. Let's do two quick examples to use NX. First, I'm going to need a 10-inch profile. I'm going to assign it a length. Then, I'm going to add another 10-inch profile. I will now move it precisely into its designated place, then carefully modify its overall length and subsequently apply an NX value of exactly 10 inches to this particular element. Then I'm going to select the entire design and apply an NX with a value of 0. Next, I'm going to select this profile and apply an NX with a value of 10. And that's it. Just like that, you can design a modular piece of furniture in seconds. You can also select your entire design and apply an NX of 10 inches. With this, you can perfectly duplicate a design. Now we're going to apply NX to an aluminum rack, and you only need to spend time building the structure of this rack. Let's select all the elements you want to duplicate. And then we're going to apply an 11-inch NX. Done. In just a few seconds, you've completed your aluminum rack. Now you know how to use NX.